Hey, it's Matt. Today I am in the city of Travnik in central Bosnia. We're making a quick stopover on my way from Sarajevo, which was my first stop, all the way to Una National Park in the northwest of the country. Travnik used to be the capital of Bosnia when it was under the Ottoman Empire. So there's a really cool fortress somewhere here, and there's a really cool mosque as well. So I'm gonna have a very quick coffee here and let's go explore. So first stop here in Travnik is the Ornamented Mosque, as Google calls it. I think it's officially called Sulejmania, but hey, I guess if it's good enough for Google Maps, hey. One interesting thing about this mosque is that underneath it there is a bazaar. So there's actually shops underneath this mosque, which I think is the first time I've ever seen such a mosque. So if you know of any other mosques with shops underneath it, let me know in the comments down below. Unfortunately, the shops appear to be shut, so I can't really wander around this bazaar, but I'm going to try and see if I can get a look around inside the mosque. So let's go. What a beautiful mosque. There's literally no one here. Somebody was in here just now doing his prayers, so I was trying to be very respectful and very quiet. It's refreshing to see a different design to classical mosques. I really like it when these buildings, which are usually quite traditional, have a bit of a new and different design, and I really appreciate the simplicity of colors of this mosque. One other fact about Travnik, which I just saw, apparently Travnik's one of the very few, if not the only places with 2 clock towers. I can see one right by the mosque, I'm not sure where the other one is, but I am hungry, so I am gonna go and find some food. So I followed my nose, and near the mosque that's led me to Hari, which is meant to have the best cevapi in Travnik. Having tasted it, I think I'd agree. Great bread, really tasty meat with some onions. In it goes. So yeah, that was pretty yummy. But if I'm completely honest, I probably would have liked a bit of chili sauce or something with it, but that's not really a Bosnian thing. What I want more than anything right now is a siesta. But instead I'm climbing up this hill to find this fortress. How much is it? 3 The Stari Grad castle of Travnik actually dates back to before the Ottoman times. And today it is one of the best preserved castles in all of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Inside you'll find a small museum dedicated to the history of the castle. But for me, the most exciting thing in the castle was to head up to the top and take in the amazing view of Travnik. So I'm back beside the car, but I decided in order to go drive safely I need a bit more caffeine in me, so I'm back by the Plava Voda Blue Water Cafe and getting myself a Bosnian coffee. Now this place is, in addition to the usual Bosnian coffee, Turkish delight, sugar cube, you also get a cigarette. Yeah, I guess when in Bosnia, right? But for me, just the caffeine, I think.
Turn right onto E761 M5.
So I was a little bit stupid and missed the turning for Jajce, and but happy coincidence, found this viewpoint instead. Anyway, let's get going, get to Jajce itself. So that wasn't too far into Jajce, and the town is basically famous for the waterfalls being right in the center of town. You can kind of see it from here, but I might pay whatever they're asking to go a little bit nearer to the waterfalls, have a few minutes there, and then probably need to head off. Hey, how much is it? Eight. Honestly, 8 marks, which is about what, €4, seems a little bit steep to visit this waterfall, but I guess I'm already here, so hey. As you expected, pretty darn wet, and I think I basically just paid 8 marks to get wet from this waterfall. So I hope this waterfall at least has some healing powers or something that's worth this 8 marks, because the view's a bit So I basically paid 8 marks to get very, very wet. Really don't think it was really worth going there, seeing that waterfall. So if you guys ever come to Jajce, I recommend you guys just stay around here in the free waterfall area. The view is much better, but hey, I guess I'm contributing to the Bosnian economy. I better get going. Once again, it looks like it's getting dark, and I've probably got nearly 2 hours more to drive to get to Una National Park, which will be the next part of my adventure. So in the meantime, thanks so much for watching. Do give the video a like, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do subscribe for more adventures in unusual places. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo!